Hi, this is Christine. This is the video for the second inspiration journal that I made. And this one again has one of these little dangles on the side, and that's removable. I've got a little button on there, and I've got some fibers from my stash and some little acrylic beads. So I'll put this aside. And it too comes with a little dangling bookmark that I made with a paper clip, little flower. And these are beads from an old piece of vintage jewelry, and a little charm, a little padlock charm. The cover is held closed with an elastic closure. And the title, like the first one, is Don't Even Think About Giving Up. And it's got the 5 signatures, and you can see the threads on the side, and then here's the back. So like the other journal, I'm just going to go through quickly to show you the quotes. So here you can write a title or a date, a year, bloom where you are planted. It's a variety of papers. And if you're including pictures, make sure you're using copies because you don't want to use your original photos. These pages are not all acid-free, even though there is some scrapbook design paper in there. Now or never, enjoy the journey. It's a great way to use up bits and pieces of scrapbook paper left in your stash. Making these journals is a lot of fun, and the different pages makes for a lot of variety. Imagine, and same thing, these words were all from leftover paper pads, believe. So I took the ones that seemed to be inspirational to make this journal. Wishes, I've got tea-dyed papers in there, smiles, a design paper, plain writing paper, some half pages. Dream big, and again dream big. So some of these are the same words as in the other journal that I just uploaded. Explore the wonder. Inspire. Smile. You are awesome. Make today pretty, sparkle. Good day. Do what you love. Dream big, and you can tuck something behind there. Perfect harmony. Creating wonder. I'm just trying to find the pages that have the words on them. Live, laugh, love. Patience. Again, live, laugh, love, and you can put something behind. Cherish the little things. So this is definitely a writing journal. There's lots of room for writing, promise. But you can also embellish with some stamping, grow, and drawing if you like to draw. And it ends with a tag that reads peace. So I'll include a link to it in my Etsy shop in the description of this video. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.